All right, guys, here we are. We made it. This is going to be our Menards job. Look at these doors. Look at the condition they are in. They are not doing good at all. You see the bottom panel?
I'm pretty sure that bottom panel isn't even the top.
That is the top panel, actually. This is the bottom panel. And that's the top panel. That was up there. See all the wonderful tools that we have to use? Ah, many tools, many things to clean. And our lovely customer got us, ta-da, doors. So that's awesome. So we're gonna get started. Let's take a look on the inside. So they're revamping the house. They got a lot of stuff going on. We can see we got old torsion springs. Just one, a single spring. And yeah, so here's the top section that's now on the bottom. It's turned into a bottom section, let's just say. If anybody knows what these door manufacturers are, let's look at these hinges. Let me know in the comments. I can't remember, and I don't see no stickers on the side, but I don't know what manufacturer this is. But I bet one of you guys do. Let's take a look at this too. Let's see, we got the rollers. Got that plastic roller. If I see a sticker on it, I'll let you know. But, ooh, we got one. This is just a warning. Paint instructions. So, yeah, we're going to tear these out, and we're going to see what we can do. We got an old Stanley. Ooh, the old Stanley. I tell you, I've had a lot of those old Stanleys that you touch. After you touch them, they just don't work. The Genie, these are pretty old school, too. These ones weren't the most friendliest. This one, though, interesting enough, must have that chain system in it. Ooh, we got a bad kink right here. This thing's probably not going to be much good. So it's seen some better days. So we might end up replacing one of them. We'll see how it goes. Otherwise, we're going to bring in some tools. We're going to get started, and we're going to see what we can do. So stay tuned. Look how close I was to death. I forgot a ladder. It was sitting right next to my truck, and I forgot the ladder. So luckily, the customer was nice enough to let me use theirs.
Feels cooler in here.
Well, it's not gonna get them all over.
It won't be for long.
You want to work carefully, you can get that section out of there. Just slide it out. Next one, the bottom one. So, what I wanted to point out is the customer. Ooh, this one's interesting. Look at that. Get a little reinforcement with her.
Do I slide this over here?
Interesting. But I might have to do the same thing, piece of angle. Yeah, that's fine. Another thing to keep in mind is I love these. I think they're called card tables. And I'm gonna put this up because you can see we just got some stuff around us. Not bad. So either I'm gonna put stuff on the floor or I'm gonna put stuff on this card table, and that just should help us keep our stuff organized, and that way we don't lose it, because this stuff gets expensive. So there we go. That's what it's for. So, I wanted to show you guys this. I can't say I've never, but this is kind of different. Keep the bearing in. It's got those little clips on there. I'd take this bracket off, but it's kind of a different bracket than normal. I'm trying to get this off. And run a shot of them. All set there, Chini Chong. Except I can't get this off. That was biting really good. That's a good shot. Bingo.
We're not gonna get copyrighted.
When you guys get old, like me, you gotta bring a sweat rag. The raindrops will start coming, and they don't stop. And it's not even really hot today.
I hope Mom sees this.
No.
So she'll yell at you for using her rag.
What?
That's her rag.
We're deleting this. Try to put your finger on the back side. There you go.
Whoop.
Should be able to wiggle it out. It shouldn't. Well, it does have the back. You might have to hold it a little bit. It's all right.
Can I take this shoe off?
Yeah. Right now, here. Instead of putting it on the ladder so it falls and stuff, I try to put them in the bucket.
Oh, one fell out.
That happens. I think we jumped down to that drill. You gotta be careful if you don't stick it. 'Cause right now, you know,
Whoa!
when you wobble, it falls off. That hurts either yourself or it hurts. So, I'm gonna have you catch it though. You ready?
Alright. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hop on down and you take her up to the pile.
Where is our pile at?
Just somewhere else. Maybe not right on top of the door, just because I'm stacking stuff on there. Hey, this way. Go around the front of the truck so you don't scratch or whatever. You're good. As long as you're not 10. Oh, you almost. Oh, you hit the door. That's a brand new door. Yes.
It's a huge wheel.
It's kind of one of those things, it's muscle memory that Cora's got to do. She's freaking out about a wasp or something. There's nothing here. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know if I left the bug spray in here. Just wave it goodbye. All right, let's see what you got. Show the camera. Don't disappoint.
I might.
Nah, we got to get you a tool belt. She needs a tool belt. Whoops. That's well, that's why I just put them on the ground. Everything goes to the ground. Gravity's strong. Just don't whack yourself in the face. Here, watch. There you go. Let's get this ladder in here. There you go. Now you can work a little smarter. And now you got stuff that's not above your head either that you get hurt. Spiders?
What?
No, I thought you said spiders.
No, I said work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter. Like she says, work smarter, not harder. Well, I might as well stay busy.
How do I get this out?
Keep trying. You're doing good. You're doing great, too.
Oh, got it. That's cute.
Just remember, if you need to move your ladder. Now, here, Cora, what I'd probably do so it won't bite you, is this one's up higher.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd do this side first, get this out of here so this whole piece is ready to drop out.
This thing?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, you can start at the bottom again, or want me to score it? I can score it.
yes, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
So one thing I was telling Cora, I like to score those jams of paint, score the paint for you so you don't rip it. It's in pretty bad shape. Probably not that problem, but
Do you think everyone knows what scoring means?
she's asking me if everybody knows what scoring means. I mean taking a knife and running down the paint line so we don't rip paint off. Years and years of layers of paint. Okay, we good?
Yep.
Okay. Now once you hit this, this is all cracked anyway, so that's all good.
Couple more.
She's a tough one. There she is.
Ta-da!
Now, the biggest thing you don't want to do is leave this on the
Yeah,
ground for you to
'cause
walk
then-
around. Not good.
Can I hammer it down?
No, I wouldn't. I'm just going to put it in the pile.
Okay.
It's just more energy that we got to exert. I did hear a nail hit the ground. Pick that up. You don't want that in somebody's tire.